Namo Samma Sambuddhaya. Dear brothers and sisters in Dhamma, the Mahapanya Sutta of the Samyutta Nikaya explains four key factors that lead to the development of wisdom. These are the association of good friends, listening to the Dhamma, right contemplation, and following the teaching of the Buddha. Have a wonderful day.